All right, now here's a update on my Mr.Stacky that I built last year. If you saw my video in the past on that, as you can see, this is almost all cilantro, and it is just growing like crazy. I added there's one parsley plant there. I added another one over there, but as you can see, most of it is cilantro, which of course I love cilantro. And there's two, I don't remember what you call those, but they're annuals, and they're really growing good. I use a master blend Epsom salt calcium nitrate blend for my fertilizer.